How to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. For this, open up any web browser and search for Dubai Islamic Bank. Then click on the very first website, which will bring you to the official web page. Now, once you land on this, you want to click on the lock icon at the top of your screen. Now select ALT online. After this, you will have to log into your account. For that, you will have to enter your username. After entering your username, go ahead and enter your password. Then click on the login option. If the credentials you have entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. You want to head over to the card activation/deactivation option. After that, one-time PIN validation will take place for security check. Now, card activation/deactivation and PIN change will be done through the option available on the user interface. All you have to do is enter the required details and follow the on-screen prompts. After that, your debit card will be successfully activated. You will be notified via SMS or email once the card has been successfully activated. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.